Case name Rohan, age is 18 years. Today date is 18th of May 2024 and complain of high pitched voice even after puberty. Rohan, I want speech sample before treatment. Why you came here?
So sir, my name is Rohan Chauhan. I am from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I have a female-like voice, also called as puberphonia. So for that treatment I came here.
Post-therapy video of Rohan, and today date is 24th May 2024. So Rohan, how do you feel after treatment? I want speech sample after the treatment.
So sir, I feel very good. I talked with my mother. She said the voice has changed completely. I spoke with my cousins too. So he said that if I had called with an unknown number, so he wouldn't have recognized me. But how I talk, he recognized me through that.
Okay, from which place you came?
I am from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh.
What are you doing in Bhopal at this moment?
Sir, I am from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, but I am a first year MBBS student in Indore.
Okay, thank you. So can we use a video for awareness purpose in our social media pages?
Yes.
Thanks for giving permission. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes, please like this video, share this video so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to the right place. Thanks for watching.